think it's very impressive.
Seeing it built in a day is incredible.
Not only can we build a better home, but we can do this in half the time.
Welcome to Westbury. As you know, we are constantly striving to become the #1 choice. We want to build on this success. To help us achieve this ambition, a new technology has been developed. It's called Space 4, and it represents a new era in housing construction and the house building industry. It introduces precision manufacture of house components, like this wall panel. As you can see, the windows and doors are pre-installed. Insulation is integral. The service conduits are already in place. These panels are delivered to the site and assembled on a pre-prepared precision foundation. The final stage is the craning on of a pre-built roof. Within 24 hours, we have a secure, weatherproof envelope constructed to manufacturing tolerances within 5 millimeters, providing a precision backbone to the house. While much finishing work remains to be completed, we can clearly see the principle of manufacturing components in advance at the Space 4 factory offers significant benefits for the house building process.
The principle behind Space 4 is very simple. The building is designed and manufactured using a patented process at the Space 4 plant. The components are delivered to site in a rigorous sequence for rapid assembly by a multi-skilled team. This achieves a weatherproof envelope in just 24 hours. Westbury will continue to use conventional cladding materials to create attractive elevations in traditional brick, stone or render, which will satisfy local planning requirements. The quality of the internal fit-out will set new standards of accuracy and finish. So not only can we build a better home, but we can do this in half the time.
I think it's very impressive.
Seeing it built in a day is incredible.
See this morning, just the bare basis, and then kind of see the whole thing and, be able to work on the inside.
I think it's got to be taken very seriously by the industry.
At Watnall, as part of the precision foundations, 10-metre piles were dug. Sitting on top of the piles is a reinforced ring beam foundation accurate to within plus or minus 5 millimeters in both horizontal and vertical alignment. It's worth remembering that Plot 1 at Watnall is the first Space 4 house type that this region has built. This is doubly complicated since the Thornton house type has not been produced by Space 4 previously. Despite minor problems, the Space 4 team are easily able to adjust and alter the system to make it viable and work quite correctly on site. Here we see the Space 4 erection manager passing back all the relevant information back to the head office at Space 4 to enable them to alter and adjust drawings so future Thorntons will incorporate all the time-saving techniques learned from the site. pictures give you some indication of how important it is to correctly position the crane, and also the amount of work needed to ensure that it is both stable and safe. Like any new technology, problems are found. In this instance, it was found more suitable not to place the splash course brickwork in position prior to the erection of the units. Here we see the surveyors carefully checking both horizontal and vertical alignment. Already the interior of the Spacewall house is beginning to take shape. Like high quality cars, the feel within this house is amazing in comparison to our traditional houses. To continue with the prefabricated method of build, we have now incorporated UPVC fascias and soffits. Stone fireplaces, and of course prefabricated shower enclosures. As part of the ongoing development of Space 4, certain products are being developed specifically for sale within the Space 4 package. These include monitored alarms, special landscape gardens, landscape features within the gardens, hot tubs. These are just some of the new exciting products available throughout the Space 4 range. However, they will shortly be available throughout the traditional house building sites as well. After careful consideration, it's now time to release the show home to the public.
Can I welcome, first of all, the Mayor and Mayoress of the Borough of Broxtowe. We're delighted to have Councillor Tyson and Betty with us today, and also to be able to support their charity. I believe what happens is you will use our donation to decide. It is for the deaf, is it? Oh, that's excellent. That's excellent. So welcome to Miller's Croft. It's actually 4 years since Westbury were able to welcome a previous mayor of Broxtowe to one of their functions, and that indeed was the opening of our regional office in Nottingham when we first arrived and put ourselves on Nottingham and Nottinghamshire. Since then, we've developed in 4 counties surrounding Nottinghamshire, and this is our 3rd development in the borough of Broxtowe. We've been very grateful to the borough of Broxtowe in the way that they've supported Westbury, and I hope that they in turn and the people of Broxtowe have been pleased with the quality of the product that we've delivered to our customers. And here is no exception. I think it's a high quality product, it's a new product, and for that and for the commitment of all our staff and all our contractors, I'd just like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all involved for producing what I'm sure will be a very, very successful site here. It is also another brownfield development site. Now I know that I was talking with the Mayor just a second ago. The site has a checkered history, but I think that whatever the history, what is pleasing is the outcome of and where we are today. It is a good product. We are also working to build a Millennium Walkway, a linked walkway through the site, so that it's a combination of delivering to customers and also delivering to the community of Broxtowe. So with that, I'd just like to say I hope you enjoy your tour around the site and around the sales office. Thank you very, very much for coming, and I think I've got a couple of tasks to do, is to present the Mayor with a cheque, and also say thank you to the Mayor and Mayoress for cutting the ribbon and officially opening Miller's Croft.
Right. Well, first of all, obviously his name is right. I am the Mayor and this is the Mayoress of Broxtowe. But to be honest with you, same as he's right to say regarding this type, it has been difficult, but it's nice to think that Westbury's home have took hold of this, they took a grip of it, and at the end of the day, I'm sure there's going to be a damn good result here. And knowing that also we're going to get this Millennium Way working right the way through what will interconnect, that is another good thing. So all I can say to you at Westbury, I'm glad you've come. Thank you.
We'll bring him. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, could we just break?
Hey!
Well done. Then nice bit slow with the camera for me. Come on, please.
All going well?
The paparazzi's here.
You don't know the alphabet?
Find Darryl and Stuart.